I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. Today I want to show you how you can make some punch needle strawberries. I'm going to start off with a scrap piece of weaver's cloth, and I'm going to draw a right angle that's 2 inches long, 2 inches. I'm going to do a couple of these. And then I'm using a hoop that is 6 inches in diameter. You could find a bowl or something round in your house that's about 6 inches in diameter. And then I'm going to just line up the ends of my angle with the inside with the circle, and then just draw a connecting line that's rounded. And I'm going to punch these with DMC 498. My piece of weaver's cloth wasn't quite large enough to fit in my gripper strip frame, so I sewed a couple more scraps of weaver's cloth onto either side so that I can put it in my gripper strip frame. I've finished punching the strawberries now. I'm going to be using some tiny black glass beads for my berry seeds, and I'm just going to sew them in random places on my strawberry. I just sewed the beads on with one continuous strand of thread on each of the strawberries. Now I'm going to cut them apart. So now I'm going to trim the edges along the straight sides with my pinking shears to about 1/4 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch past the edge of the punching. And then on the curved edge, I'll make it a little bit longer of a seam allowance. And then I'm going to take this to my iron. I'm going to press the weaver's cloth on the straight edges to the back. Okay, I have a needle threaded with 3 strands of embroidery floss. This is the same color that I used to punch the strawberries. And I'm just going to come up through underneath the bottom here with my needle. And then I'm going to fold it over so that the 2 straight edges are touching and matched up. And then I'm going to hold back the punched loops, and I'm going to stitch along the edges here. The reason I'm using such a thick thread is to help cover up this seam. It's really hard to get this seam to where you can't see some of the weaver's cloth. I'm making my stitches very close to each other so that the floss will cover up the empty weaver's cloth. I have the seam sewn together now, and I'm going to just leave this dangling here for now, and I'm going to lightly stuff the strawberry. I'm going to take the string and I'm going to do a running stitch along the edge of the empty weaver's cloth. This is going to be for gathering the top of the strawberry. I'm going to cut off some of this excess here. And then I'm going to tuck the rest down inside. And then I will pull this tight and tie it off. So now I need to make a leaf for the strawberry. I'm going to start with a piece of green felted wool, and I'm going to make some strawberry leaves. Easiest thing would be to just have 4 leaves, or you can just kind of do 1 leaf on each side. And then I'm going to make a little stem out of some of the extra fabric here. I'm going to cut a little hole in the middle. I'm going to fold the wool in half and just cut a little hole. And then I'm going to push my end of the little strip through there. So that I have both ends coming through my little hole here. And then I'm going to use some thread to match, and I'm going to tack that down. Just a few stitches will hold this in place. Then I'm going to leave the thread on there and use it to attach the top here to the strawberry. And you could do several different things. You could leave it floppy, or you could sew it down. I'm just going to sew around the top here and leave the edges floppy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to grab that weaver's cloth to sew it to. Then I tied off the string and the strawberry is all done. I put my strawberries in a vintage plastic strawberry basket along with some other strawberries that I had previously made. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.